Up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable push notifications in Digit. Push notifications helps you to stay updated on your savings, transfers, account alerts without needing to open the app. To enable push notifications in Digit, first open the app and go to the settings menu. Look for the notifications or the alert section. Here you can toggle on push notifications to receive real-time updates on your phone. Make sure that your device system settings also allow notifications from the Digit app. On iOS, just go to Settings, Notifications, Digits, and Enable. So you could just choose Enable, Allow Notifications. Now on Android, all you got to do is go to the Settings, then go to Apps, then find Digits, and then go to Notifications, and then turn them on. You can customize which type of alerts that you want to receive, like savings alerts, savings transfers, goal progress, or security alerts. Enabling push notifications can keep you informed so that you can manage your money smartly without missing important updates. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy Digit tutorials and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.